Hello everyone, I'm Amir from Fair Surveillance. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Hik-Connect app to your Hikvision DVR. Before we start, make sure you've downloaded the app and you've completed the registration. If done correctly, you should be able to see Add Device in the middle of the screen of your app. Next, make sure your DVR is connected to your router using an Ethernet cable. I assume you already done this. Log into your DVR and do a right click, go to menu, then click on configuration on top of your screen. Then go to the left hand side and click on network. Then click on platform access. Once you are in this page, make sure enable is on, comply with terms and conditions, check the box, click OK and do apply. As you can see, connection status is online. What you need to do now is go to your app, click on add device, or if you already have devices in the Hik-Connect app, click on plus icon on the top right corner. Then click scan QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you should see adding completed. If you want, click on the device name and change it to anything you want. Click next, audio collection, skip, and then you should be able to see the cameras on your phone. For any reason, if cameras shows encrypted, use this verification code. And I always recommend change this verification to something simpler that you remember. This is very useful when you share your cameras with partners, friends, colleagues. If you need any help, please visit our website. Our details are there. Just give us a call or drop us a text on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.